Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and today I am making cards for the 3 new people who joined my team this month. Remember, I still have 2 more spots available who will receive this welcome gift packet from me. So if you were thinking about joining, you have about 2 days left to do so that you get all the great specials that are going on right now. And you can see on my blog, beautyandthestamper.com, if you want to see more on that, or I'll post a previous video where I talk about everything. So, but today let's make a card because that's what I like to do. And I'm going to be using the, let's see here, they are the scalloped note cards and envelopes. So I have those. And I chose 3 of the colors that I wanted, and so I grabbed those. And the one we're going to be making now is using this balmy blue color. And so I'm going to make it very easy. I love these scalloped envelopes because let me show you here. Grab my bone folder. I'm just going to burnish that right down there. Look at that. I don't know if you could see. See that scalloped edge? So pretty. And then the envelope has the scalloped, oh, the scalloped edge as well. There you go. Now you can see it. All right. So I have this, and I'm going to be using the stamp set that's made for the demonstrators. It says, "Welcome to the team." And then I'm also going to be using this Bloom and Grow because I love this stamp right here. And I think it'll be really pretty. And I have the other colors, but we're going to start with blue. So I'm just getting out my balmy blue ink. I'm going to lay this flat because I like to stamp flat. I got out my Welcome to the Team stamp set and a piece of Whisper White. We're just going to go ahead and I'm just going to stamp a little bit at an angle. And the reason I'm going to stamp it at an angle is because I'm going to be using this label punch here. And I want it to be at an angle. So you see how that fits. I can have it straight and it's fitting at an angle. I just move it to where I want it. There we go. Perfect. And I've got that part. Now I can make a whole bunch of them, just stamp, stamp, stamp. But I'm just making the one for you to see here. And then I'm going to take that flower that I showed you, and it's bigger in the stamp set than it is on here. Let me show you. See how small it is there compared to the actual size, but it fits perfectly on this note card. So I'm going to take this kind of up toward the top. Just going to hold that down for a minute, let that ink really set in, and pull it straight up. And look at how pretty that is. Really pretty. You guys, I'm almost done. Can you believe this? Now I'm just going to take some Stampin' Dimensionals. I've got my little minis right here. So I'm going to put one on each corner, and then or edge, I guess, and then toward the diamond part I'm going to set them up just a little bit. So we've got those 4 little guys. I'm going to take those off. And set that right in here. Oh, straight across there. And then I'm going to take my Stampin' tool and search for some bling here. where do I have it? What did I do? What did I do with it? Of course, this is what I'm looking for. But this one is for you if you want to join, so I'm not going to use that one. But I have to find my other one. Alright, I don't know what I did with it, so I'm just going to grab one of my other ones. And we're just going to take this lovely blue here. I'm just going to put one there, and then a small one right next to it. Kind of put it there, and there you go. What a cute card. See how pretty that is with the scallops, and that's it. If you did it in white, you could color it in. I mean, we could color it in here, but I really just like it with the tone on tone. And then I could always take the envelope and decorate it as well. That stamp set for the demonstrators. I mean, it says handmade by your biggest cheerleader. So many fun things. This little card there, or envelope, is so pretty. So you can decorate this however you'd like. It also has some of these little guys. So I love it. You could also decorate with this. Put some little flowers right down at the edge. That would be super cute. And I think that's what I'm going to end up doing. So, alright beauties, if you like this, this is a quick and easy card using the scallop note cards. And again, if you want to join my team, feel free. I'll put all the links down below. And then of course, here is my host code. Invitations for the Friday free live class goes out today. So if you spent over $50 or bought the Friend Like You stamp bundle from me, check your email because it's going to have your login details so that we can see each other and talk to each other live. Alright beauties, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!